Hi everyone, it's Kathy Maxon. Sorry about my voice. I've lost my voice. I've been sick this week, but I wanted to bring you this video. Today we're going to do some upcycle. If you have some Christmas cards, I don't know if anybody is like me, I save my Christmas cards that I get every year. And I seen this idea from Joanne Brandy on YouTube. We are going to use picture frames, and we are going to put one of our Christmas cards in it, and we're going to decorate the frame. So just, you know, some of the cute Christmas cards that I have. You know, like I said, I collect them every year. You know, some would make some real pretty in picture frames. You can use them to decorate your mantle. You can, you know, give them as gifts. Just a cute little decoration, maybe a tablescape or something like that. And while I was, I don't know if we would be able to find any frames that are long and skinny like that. But here is our 2016 picture that we had sent out. This is myself and my husband. These are our 3 dogs at the time. Lily, our chocolate lab Hershey, and then Bentley is our boxer. And right now we currently only have Lily left. The boys have passed on. But anyways, you can pick up some Dollar Tree frames. Here's a 4x6, some 5x7s. I found this cute little 4x4. The card I was going to put in that one, oh, I don't know where it's at. Thought I had it out. But I painted it. I painted this black. It was white. It was like a wood finish, a fake wood finish. So let me get all these set aside. I did already spray paint my frame, so I do have. It was a silver frame, and this is the card I'm going to use. I've already cut it apart. It came from Alaska. Our friends Kirk and Dana. They live in Alaska. So this is the pretty card. You don't have to cut it apart, but if you're going to sell or give them as gifts, you know, maybe it'd be a good idea to, you know, just only do the card so they don't, you know, I guess see the inside if there is special, you know, note to you. But I did find some peacock ornaments that I had. I actually cut this apart. I actually had 2 of them. So I cut it apart so we could use parts of it. And I kind of have to watch. I think I'm going to decorate the 2 corners, the top left and the bottom right. But I kind of want to be careful on this bottom left, just because if it's going to be standing up, it's not going to sit right. And then I had this ornament too that I might take apart. I have some glitter balls. I have these glitter balls. I got some. I probably won't use the white, but I do have blue, and then I even have green glitter balls. So I got my glue gun all set up. So see what is. I was debating on painting the frame gold or blue, and so I, you know, asked my husband, and he said blue. So we're going to be doing blue. So this is what it's going to look like in the frame. So I think that'll be very pretty. So when I took it apart, this had like 3 layers. So this back piece was this, and I just cut it in half. But then it's on a rubbery surface, so the glitter was pulling off. So I may make the starburst, you know, come out along the top, and then I was going to put one of those on top, and then glue, and then I'm going to glue, I think, some of the teardrops that came in the thing as well. So little teardrops here, you can't really see them very well, but those were also in. I'm probably not going to use this one, but I think that I'm going to do another one down here, but I'm not going to fan it out this way because, again, sitting on the table. And then I may maybe put some glitter balls or something down here. So let's just get this top up here glued. So I think I could just throw glue just putting glue right there in the bottom because I think that'll sit real nice in the corner there. So I'm just going to hold it and let it set up. And then this I'm going to put right over top. So you can, you know, get your frames, get them painted. You don't have to paint them. You know, some of the ones I found, you know, just had a nice pretty texture. So those would be cute, you know, just plain, they were black. Again, when you use the glue gun, be careful, just because it's hot, and also you're going to have like the glue strings. And then I think I said I wanted to do a teardrop here. I think I'm going to put the glue right on the frame because I think this is going to be a little hard to get situated. If I had the glue on the back of the, as you can see, I already have the glue strings. But this is a nice, quick, easy project. And like I said, you know, I don't know if anybody is weird like me, and, you know, I save my Christmas cards because I thought there's, you know, something I could do with them. And here's a good project for that. You know, just measure your cards. Got some glue on there. I'll have to rub that off later. So how do you like that? That's real pretty up there on the side, up there on the top. And then this one I'll put here. Put this one sideways. Oops. I got all my glue on my board. My glue strings. You know, just a little family. I mean, this is cute. Like I said, this would be cute on your mantle, you know, tablescape. Let's try, I'm going to try and pull these ones off. Maybe. I even might want to cut some of these tails off. Let's see what that looks like. Instead of pulling it all apart, I just might cut it. And it falls to the floor. You know, maybe I could stick something like that there. Cut this one. I don't know. All I know is this one is not staying down. Because again, I don't want, when you set it up, I kind of like that one, but I don't really like, this one curves a little. Maybe I'd like it better if it curved. My glue did not stick well to that. Maybe I'll put these down first. Just hold it in place a little bit. You could always secure them with E6000. Your hot glue just helps set it up, you know, attach it really quickly. I'm just going to put the glue on the frame. Maybe that'll help hold it better. We'll just hold it down a little more. But like I said, this is a nice, quick, easy project. You know, I had the peacock ornaments. I had them on hand already. Now let's see. Just trying to pull these ornaments off. It's pulling off some of my styrofoam, but that may help set better. I don't know. Looks like a monster coming out of the bottom. Sorry. One of the blue ones out. Cluster of 3. Let me see if I like the green better. Looks like a little monster. This ball is a little, let's see if I can get a different one off. That one's like attached. I think they're all going to be like that, huh? I can scissor it up a little here, just so it'll sit flat. Then I can put my green one. Give it, I like that. Still looks like a little monster, but it's our little monster. Glue there. Hold it in place. Glue string off. There. And then we'll put a little here. Down for a little bit. Let's see, what would these look like if I put the gems there? Why not? We'll bling it up. Yeah, I do have 2. Make sure I still had 2 left. Gives it a little dimension by decorating the frame. And a tip, you can use your hair dryer, and you can hair dryer, and it'll get your glue strings all off. But that's all decorated. Like I said, I'll have to fix my glue there. So let's put our card in here. Oops, let's not put the card in there. Forgot I had my glass. And get the glitter off of it. There's my glass. Here's our picture. Our card. And I have the back somewhere. Where did I put the back? Here it is. There's the back. You can even maybe make your picture a little dimensional. You can, so that's what we have. How do you like that? All the glitter. I think that looks really cute. So when you stand it up, like I said, that will give it a little, you know, it will curl up at the bottom there, but that looks really cute. So quick and easy project to upcycle your Christmas cards, or you can go, if you see some Christmas cards that you like in the store, you know, just buy one and or buy some and and get frames for them. It doesn't have to be, you know, used ones or ones that you have received. Could be just ones that you saw and found. So thank you for watching. Sorry this was a quick video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. I'm on all platforms and social media under Craft Creations by Kathy. Thank you.